Hi everyone, I'm LALABAD. Welcome. Today I am unboxing the box by Fashionsta. I just received it in the mail. Some stuff is sticking out. I haven't opened it. It's still on lock. If you don't know about the box is, again, by Fashionsta. You can check them out at fashionsta.com. It is a box that has, I believe, 5 full-size items. Starting January 2020, they're going to be costing $24 a month. Right now, in December of 2019, they are $19.99. If you are locked in at the $19.99 price, you are grandfathered into that price coming next year. I'm grandfathered in, honey. I don't know how long it's going to last. This box has become very popular because if I'm doing it, it's popular. No, it's not. I actually, people told me to get into it, and I did, and I liked it. The box usually has brands that I really don't know anything about, but they're pretty decent. And I do have to say that right now it's the 24th, which is Christmas Eve. I pay for the box first thing of the month, so I just kind of am annoyed that we get it so late, but it's okay because, you know, I'm patient. I have enough makeup to hold me over until I get to this box, but I'm just anxious, you know, I'm just anxious. All right, so without further ado, let's get into the box. Here it is right here. All right, this is what she looks like. Woohoo! So I have this, the card that tells you what everything's value is and a little bit about the product. All right, so first thing is the Crescent Moon Eyeshadow Quad. The value is $45. And this is by Cass Cosmetics. It's 4 colors. Ooh, those are pretty. I'm going to swatch them for you. Ooh. Oh, don't mind this hand here. I was doing swatches. I apologize. I should be professional and clean that off, but I don't got time nor the want to do that. Ooh, that blue. That is beautiful. It looks like a duochrome, like a gray and like a navy blue and a turquoise blue. Okay. $45. I mean, a quad for $45. I've never heard of this brand, but I'm willing to try them. This palette for $45, I'm glad I got it in a box that was only $19. This is Rosy Cheeks Facial Scrub. Ooh, a facial scrub, so like an exfoliant. The value is $12. And it's an exfoliating facial cleanser with rose petals. Gently exfoliates and eliminates dead skin cells. So that's cool. Next thing I'm picking up is, so excited. This is the Tea Me Soothe Tea Infused Oil in the scent Lavender Sage. Okay, so that's what she looks like. The value is $40. And it says, Soothe Facial Oil is infused with lavender, sage, and blue tansy oil to provide deep calming sensation to the skin. Ooh, and there's like, I don't know if you can see, but there's like herbs or something. That looks like lavender in there. Okay, cool. I want to open her up and smell her. Ooh, look at that long. I'm going to put her here. See what she smells like. Lavender is to calm your soul, so that smells good. The next thing I'm pulling out is this. This is 1520 Sheet Face Mask. The value is $7. Okay, so this is Good Vibes Only Hyaluronic Acid Collagen Glacier Seawater. You get 1 mask, so that's cool. Probably gift this to my mom or something. She really likes masks. Ooh, I think this is a bath bomb. This is CBD Bath Bomb by Fresh Bombs. The value is $12. Wash away the stress of the day in pools of refreshing eucalyptus and mint. The graceful combination of Epsom salt and coconut oil dances away aches and dry skin. Cool. I like that. And then lastly is another palette by Cara Beauty. Another Cara Beauty palette. Okay, cool. It's called the Glow Getter Highlighting Palette. Ooh, I'm interested. I'm very interested because they do really good glitters, like for cut creases and stuff. So I can see this being really bomb. Let's see. Okay, so a little bit about this palette is, this is valued at $15. Are you a go-getter for a better glow? These 6 shades will have you shining from across the room. These highlighters are meant to serve looks. These shades are precisely picked. You can start from any shade and add onto it from the super glow. You glow, girl. Okay, girl. We'll see. We'll see, honey. There are 3 of those. And that's what they look like. So there you go. Alright, everybody, that is the box for Fashionsta December 2019. I hope you liked this video. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. If you're new here, subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell to be reminded whenever I upload or go live. Thanks for watching. Have a great afternoon. All right, bye.